In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a donation form to Wix website. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your website layout and features. Once the editor has loaded, go to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This menu gives you access to different types of content and tools that you can place on your site. From there, click on Apps. Inside the app area, use the search bar to look for donation or Wix donations. This will help you quickly find the donation tool designed for Wix websites. When you see the correct app in the results, select it and click Add to Site. Wix will then place the donation element onto your page so you can start setting it up. After the donation form appears on the page, click directly on the element. You should then see options such as Settings or Manage Donations. Open that section to begin configuring how the form works. This is the main area where you control the donation experience for visitors, so take a moment to review the available options carefully. Next, follow the prompts to connect your payment provider. This part is important because it allows your site to securely accept donations. Wix will guide you through the connection process, and you will usually just need to choose your provider and complete the setup as prompted on screen. Make sure the connection is completed fully so donations can be processed without issues. Once the payment setup is done, move on to customizing the form fields and donation amounts in the Settings panel. Here you can adjust what information you want to collect from donors and decide which donation values should appear on the form. This helps you make the donation process simple and clear for your audience. Try to keep the form easy to fill out so visitors can complete their donation quickly. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish. Publishing makes your updates live, so visitors to your Wix site will be able to see and use the donation form right away. It is a good idea to double-check the page before publishing, just to make sure the form is placed correctly and the setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.